Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be exploring the world of Google AdSense and unraveling the process of adding AdSense code to your WordPress website. As many of you might already know, Google AdSense is a powerful tool that allows you to monetize your website or blog by displaying targeted ads to your audience. By incorporating AdSense into your WordPress site, you can tap into a new revenue stream and turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you have been searching for ways to generate passive income or level up your online business, then you have come to the right place. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll be covering everything you need to know to successfully integrate AdSense with your WordPress site. From signing up for an AdSense account to properly configuring your ad settings, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step walkthrough that's perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. We'll also be sharing some valuable tips and best practices to help you optimize your ad placements, ensuring you make the most out of your AdSense journey. So if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your website and supercharge your revenue, stay tuned as we dive into the world of AdSense and WordPress integration. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First, go to the dashboard. We need to install a plugin. Click Add New under the Plugin section. Search for AdSense. You will see many plugins like Google Sitekit, Advanced Ad, WP Cards, etc. However, Ad Inserter is the most popular and easiest among them. It has the highest rating too. Click Install, then Activate. The plugin is activated successfully. To set up the ads, click Ad Inserter under the Settings menu. Here you will see an interface. We need to paste the ad code and do a little setting here. So, how do you get the ad code? Just go to the AdSense dashboard. Then click on Ads. Then go to Ad Units. Now we are going to place the ads in the article. So click on Article Ads. Here, it will preview the article ad. You can customize the ad design in the right section. First, give a name to this ad unit you are making. Under Global Options, no need to touch. Move to Style Settings. Here you can choose a font style. Select the font that suits your choice best. Also, you can choose the advertisement title color. After choosing each color, it will show a preview so that you can understand how it actually looks like. The same method is applicable to the description section too. Just choose an eye-catching color. You can also choose the advertisement background color. I prefer a transparent white background. Also enable Google Optimized Ad Style. Now press Save and Get Ad Codes button. Here you'll see that the AdSense ad code is generated. Also, you can find some short instructions on the right side. It says you may need to wait for 20 to 30 minutes to load the AdSense ads for this website. At this time, we will paste the ad code into this box. Click the button to copy the code, snip and paste it here. Okay, almost done. We need to configure some settings under that. We want to show this ad on the post. So we enable this in Article, where you want to show the ads. You can choose after particular paragraphs, before paragraphs, after content, after images, etc. Here, when you choose after 5 paragraphs, it will show ads after every 5 paragraphs of every content. You'll see that after the insertion box, there is a percentage section. It means you can select after how many paragraphs you want to show ads. When you want to show AdSense ads after each 5 paragraphs, write a percentage before 5. You can choose the number you wish. Then choose alignment. It's better to show your ads in the center, as it looks better. All set up. Click on Save Settings. The ads will be visible after some time. But still, after refreshing the page, you can notice some changes. After each 5 paragraphs, an invisible box will appear. It means the ad code is placed well. And there you have it. Folks, that brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to add AdSense code to your WordPress website. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you are now equipped with the knowledge and confidence to monetize your website effectively using Google AdSense. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, happy monetizing, and we'll see you in the next video.